Hello viewers, a lot of users are actually planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. So they are asking me whether they will get discounts on this tablet or not in the Republic Day sale that will occur both in Flipkart.com and Amazon.in. Actually, Tab S10 FE is a very good tablet. The display quality of this tablet is top notch. Though it is not an AMOLED one, yet you will feel that the display quality is excellent for multimedia consumption, and you will get stereo speakers along with this tablet, so you will have a very good experience while using this tablet. This tablet is good enough for day-to-day tasks and multitasking is good enough. However, the processor in this tablet is not so powerful. It comes with Exynos 1580 processor. If you compare it with iPad, in that case iPad 11th generation will be faster than this tablet. Along with Tab S10 FE, you will get S Pen in the box, and the quality and the latency of this S Pen is top notch. You will have no latency or delay at the time of writing on the screen, so you will have a very good experience writing on this tablet. As this S Pen comes inside the box, you don't have to pay any extra amount. Battery life is another area where Tab S10 FE excels. It performs very good in the battery backup department. You will definitely get around 8 hours plus SOT on a single charge. So if you are planning to buy Tab S10 FE during Republic Day sale, you have to know the best price of this tablet, otherwise you will be befooled by the sellers on Flipkart or Amazon.in. If you want to buy the 128GB variant, in that case the best price is around 28 to 29,000 rupees on Flipkart.com, and if you don't get this pricing, don't buy this tablet right now, wait for another sale. I think from Flipkart.com you will get discounts on Axis Bank credit card, ICICI Bank credit card or HDFC credit card. So keep those cards ready to get the best discounts on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.